morning all of you. We are the students of class 8 of Jagriti Public School, and today we are going to tell you that how can we protect animals and what are their conditions right now.
Animals are very humble, but human beings kill them for their benefits. Pet animals are left on the road. We should not do this because they are not habitual of surviving in this weather. Animals are killed on the road by automobiles, so we should drive carefully on the road. We can give them leftover food in our houses and water for their survival.
If they are injured, we can bandage them and can carry them to the vet.
We should give them blanket or a bed sheet for the survival in winter. We should not be bad to them by beating them. People think they are harming peoples, but actually peoples are harming animals. Shoot animals with camera, not with a gun.